Good morning, dear children. We do the continuation reading part of the lesson 3, My Country and Its Landscape. We have completed knowing our country, location, states and union territories of India. We have completed our reading part till here, and in today's class we are going to do the reading part from physical divisions of India. PHYSICAL physical divisions. DIVISIONS divisions of India. INDIA India. India has varied varied physical 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 features like FEATURES features like mountains, MOUNTAINS mountains, plateaus, PLATEAUS plateaus, deserts, DESERTS deserts, rivers, RIVERS rivers, and islands, ISLANDS islands. India has varied physical features like mountains, plateaus, deserts, rivers, and islands. Our country, COUNTRY country, is divided, divided into 6 physical 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 divisions, DIVISIONS divisions. On the basis of these features, FEATURES features, these are the northern mountains, NORTHER northern mountains, MOUNTAINS mountains, the northern plains, NORTHER northern plains, PLAINS plains, the great Indian desert, the great great Indian Indian desert, DESERT desert, the peninsular plateau, PENINSULAR peninsular, PLATEAU plateau, the coastal plains, the COASTAL coastal plains, PLAINS plains, the islands, ISLANDS islands. Look at the different 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 colors, COLOURS colors used in the physical map of India on the next page. Each color, COLOUR color denotes, DENOTES denotes a physical, PHYSICAL physical feature, FEATURE feature of the country. The brown, BROWN brown portion, PORTION portion in the map denotes, DENOTES denotes the Himalayan, HIMALAYAN Himalayan mountains, MOUNTAINS mountains or northern mountains. They are the highest, HIGHEST highest mountain, MOUNTAIN mountain range in the world, WORLD world. They form the northern, NORTHER northern border, BORDER border of the country, COUNTRY country, and are the source, SOURC source of many rivers, RIVERS rivers. To the south, SOUTH south of the northern mountains lie, lie the northern plains, NORTHER northern plains, Plains, plains. Many, many, many. Crops, crops, crops are grown, grown, grown in this region, 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 on the flat, flat, fertile, fertile, fertile lands, lands, lands. Children, once go through this reading part. Okay, we do the remaining continuation part in the next class. Thank you, children. Bye.